Those here standing, as you can see, they are demonstrating and showing their concern over the removal and the government that has not obeyed the court order.
We want to have peace in Kano and we want the court order to be obeyed. For now, the emir we know is Aminu Ado Bayero. That is what we want and we are with him. In the past 3 days, everyone in Kano is under fear and apprehension. Let there be peace. We will not allow this injustice to stand. Ado Bayero is our emir, and that's final.
So therefore, this court order came many hours after the reinstatement of the emir of Kano, Alhaji Sanusi Lamido Sanusi. We have so much respect for the judiciary. Our mandate was restored by the judiciary, and we want to stop the politicization of the traditional institution at any given time. So that is why the repeal of the law and also the reinstatement of the emir confirms it all, that nobody in the future should tamper with a system that has been in existence for over 1,000 years.
Your Excellency, if insurgency lasted more than 24 hours, the government is involved. We don't like any political crisis here in Kano State. Security is the protection of life, property, and information from possible danger.